Hello everyone, my name is Sanaullah Khan and I'm your Mext guide today with a new video about Mext University recommended scholarship, and the topic of our discussion is going to be what to attach in email while sending it to professor. So first of all, I will say thank you to all because I am receiving a lot of good comments from and appreciation that you are liking my videos, plus the feedback I am getting on my Facebook group, the Scholarship Guru. So it's make me feel happy and to make it's motivation for me to make new videos. So thanks to you, and I will make new videos. So here it is, the new video, what to attach in email ID. So basically you need two things which need to be attached to email ID. So first thing is curriculum vitae or resume, where you should write your education background, your working experience, the publication you have, the technical skills you have, and other thing, extracurricular activities, any language ability, plus all the softwares you should do. I will suggest to go with the resume part, one page resume, and just put it all information. It should not be left empty at any point. Just put it all your skills there. It should be well and comprehensive document. And the second thing is academic transcript. What is academic transcript? It is basically a mark sheet where all your subjects are written along with your grades, so the professor can see your final CGPA as well. So here's another suggestion, because I am your Mext guide, so I will give you some tips. First tip is that whenever you make your email heavy, it goes to spam. So be careful on this point. So what you have to do is you can use merged PDF, MERGE, merged PDF, so that you can combine resume and academic transcript, rename into these resume and academic transcript, combine both of the PDF and make it smaller, like up to 1 MB or 500 KB, and then attach to your email ID. So this is a very good idea. No need to attach research proposal. I have seen many posts on my Facebook group, the Scholarship Guru, that whether we should attach research proposal as well. So no need to attach research proposal at that time. Just discuss your research interest. Professor will ask you that please give me research proposal. So you at that time you have to say, please give me some time, so I will prepare a research proposal and will share it with you soon. So this will give you enough time to prepare research proposal as per the interest of your professor. So thank you so much again for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe it. Don't forget to subscribe, and again I will make some new videos for you so that you get this next scholarship. And thanks for you again for appreciation.